flowers. Wow, ang ganda yung poda. Kung gaano kaganda yung flowers, ganun din maganda din yung buhay ko. Wow, yung poda. Ipo. Ang ganda, oh. Diyos ko. Life is beautiful. Flowers is beautiful. Life is beautiful. The flowers are all beautiful. Wow. He cannot drop down because I am unique. Wow. Beautiful flowers. Flowers are everywhere. All beautiful flowers, and my life is beautiful also. Thank you, Lord. Ayun, partner ko. Next year, last year ni karon, diri na magkalat. Ipuso na yugma.
Too long, too long,